going to show you how to make Nanaimo bars. Canada's classic, and it's really easy. So we're going to start with the crust. We've got crushed up graham crackers, some walnuts, coconut, cocoa powder, of course, some sugar, salt. Toss all the ingredients together. Add our melted butter, 1 beaten egg, and vanilla extract. Then bring it all together with a spatula. Toss this till it's just come together, and then we're going to press it into our square pan. And it's really important to just evenly distribute the crumble mix. I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm going to put it in the oven. While the base is cooling, I'm going to make my custard icing. I've got softened butter, and I'm going to mix that with my custard powder. Once the custard powder is well mixed, we'll add 2 tablespoons of milk, and I'm just going to wing the vanilla because I like vanilla, salt, and sugar. Continue mixing it with the beater until it's really light and fluffy. It's ready when it looks like a lovely buttercreamy frosting. Then we'll spread this beautiful filling onto the base, evenly distribute this cream right to the edges. Beautiful. Now that the custard icing has set, we add the chocolate layer. We've just got our chocolate and our butter. I've just gently melted it in the microwave. Take it to the edges, and then I'm just going to angle my palette knife to create a beautiful pattern. And back in the fridge for about 30 minutes, or just until the chocolate layer has set. The perfect Nanaimo bar with a baked crusty bottom, a lovely custardy filling, and a chocolate top. Enjoy.